Howdy, My House Imports. 1-minute video clips demonstrating all kinds of singing bowls and bells and gongs from Nepal. This is an older bowl, 40 or 50 years or so. It's been cleaned, so it's a little hard to tell how old it is. You can see it's hand hammered. That's what those dents are, this old oxidation in there. Beautifully shaped. Beautiful lip. It's been hammered over, folded in there to make it extra rigid. More than 5 inches deep. A good 11 inches across. 2 kilos of weight. This is a big bowl, and it has a big sound. Great width to that note. The low hum